6 home remedies to control oily skin. Who likes oily skin? Nobody. Everyone wants a clean and clear skin with no trace of oil on it. If you are also troubled by oily skin and are looking for home remedies to tackle the skin issue, just keep on watching this video and follow them. 1. Baking soda and water. Baking soda helps in killing bacteria and is a good exfoliant for oily skin. It is cheap and plentiful and also helps in neutralizing skin's pH level. Procedure. Mix a small amount of baking powder with few drops of water. This will make a paste which you can apply to your face, massage gently and rinse off with water. 2. Lemon juice and egg white. Lemon juice has citric acid and vitamin C, which works as an astringent that shrinks the skin pores and reduces the excess release of sebum. This mixture helps in skin exfoliation. Procedure. Separate egg white from the egg in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice to the egg white. Apply this mixture on your face and let it stay for 25 to 30 minutes till it dries. Splash some water on your face and massage. Then rinse the face with water and let it dry. Repeat this 3 to 4 times a week to get rid of oil on the skin. 3. Lime juice and almond. Almond helps to exfoliate the skin and dry any excess oil or impurities present. Procedure. Soak almonds overnight in water. Blend the soaked almonds and add 1 teaspoon of lime juice to make a paste. Apply this paste to your face and let it stay for 30 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. 4. Pineapple juice and lemon. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, bromelain, and antioxidants. It acts as a natural exfoliate for skin and helps in getting rid of excess oil and dirt. It also has a lot of enzymes that help tighten the skin, and when mixed with acidic properties of lemon, its positive effects increase. Procedure. Squeeze half a lemon to extract the juice and mix it with pineapple juice. Apply on your face using a piece of cloth or cotton. Let it stand for 5 minutes and then rinse off with cold water. 5. Lime juice and tomato. This mixture helps in shrinking the pores and hence help get rid of oily skin. Procedure. Take 1 tablespoon of fresh tomato juice and add 2 to 4 drops of fresh lime juice to it. Apply this mixture to your face using a cotton ball. Let it stand for 15 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. 6. Rosewater, cucumber, and lemon. Cucumber is rich in vitamin and mineral content, and also has cooling, astringent and soothing ability. Rosewater is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Procedure. Peel cucumber and crush its flesh. Add 1 teaspoon of rosewater and few drops of lemon juice. Using a cloth, apply this mixture onto your face and then rinse off with cold water. So, even if you have got oily skin and are troubled because of it, no need to worry anymore. Your skin just deserves proper care, and that too without spending on expensive beauty products. Just use the easy remedies mentioned here and there you go to have oil-free, healthy looking and clear skin. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, please click on the like button and subscribe to be notified with more useful videos.